Hello, my name is Matthew. I am the owner and operator of Desert Dolphin Woodworks, a small woodworking business based here in Arizona. I am currently 52 years old. It is July 30th, 2025, and I am announcing my Pay It Forward series. It's a little bit behind. I was originally going to announce this back on July 3rd, my injury date anniversary. When I was 20 years old, I suffered a spinal cord injury, which left me in a wheelchair. I am what they call tetraparesis. So it means basically I have sensation and movement in all four limbs, just some weakness. So it's a big word for you're screwed, buddy. Use a wheelchair. Anyhow, so I want to announce this Pay It Forward series. This Pay It Forward series is going to be me basically thanking the people that have shaped my life. You know, people that have helped me along my life's journey, whether it's big or small things. You know, for an example, when I think I was 19 years old, me and a friend of mine, Leah, hi Leah for watching. Me and Leah were driving across country from Connecticut to California, and we got on the border of Utah and California. I got out of the car to change my clothes, and I put my wallet on the top of the car, and drove away and left my wallet up there. Well, this guy by the name of Skip Stradley, still remember that name. Real nice guy, just real nice guy. This is, like I said, 92. He pulled over, he found my wallet on the side of the road, pulled over, took the time to open it up and found my contact information. Mind you, this was before cell phones and everything. So I called my mother and mailed my wallet back to my house in Connecticut, you know. And I called my mom that night and told her that it was all my money and everything in there, and except for traveler's checks. Some of you probably don't know what traveler's checks are. Anyhow, so this guy, Skip Stradley, found my wallet, mailed it back to my home, to my mother, to my hometown. And then I got his number from my mother because I talked to my mom that night because she had to issue a new card, you know. And she's like, "You lost your wallet, didn't I?" "Didn't you?" I'm like, "How'd you know?" She's like, "Well, because this guy, Skip Stradley, called and told me he found your wallet." So he gave me his number. I called him, talked to him for a little while on the phone. He invited me and Leah to come over for lunch and stuff. Never did get to meet him, but I would like to thank him by making him a gift. You know, I might need to find him. But anyway, that's what this series is going to be about. Just me paying him forward, just thanking the people that, like Skip Stradley, helped shape my life and make me the person I am today. You know, that act of kindness that Skip Stradley showed me years ago just really kind of, paved the way for me in my life to always be kind to other people, always, give back when you can, never take stuff for granted, just be a good person. Don't be an asshole. Everybody, I'm in a wheelchair, I got shit going on, but we all got shit going on. I'm nothing special, man. Adapt and overcome. Life goes on. I mean, there's people dying every day of all kinds of things. There's accidents happening around the world. Fires, floods, war. I mean, there's all kinds of heartache in the world. But I just want to do a little part and try to get back to the people that help me out, I have, excuse me. I have so many people to thank. And 52, so I have, I don't know, maybe 30 years left to do it if I'm lucky. But I want to do it all in a year. So by next August 1st, I want to be done with this series. I want to I have at least 100 people already that this list has already been made. So we're going forward. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the names into a hat or a box or something like that. I'm going to draw a name at random, and then I'm going to tell a little story about this person and why and how they shaped my life, what they did, how I think about them every day, whatever, what they did to help me in my life journey and how they helped shape my life, So I'm going to tell the story, and then I'm going to make each person a unique handcrafted wooden item built right here in my shop. I shouldn't say wood because some things might be slate, maybe some plastic. I don't know. But they're all going to be made here in my shop here in Arizona. It's not going to be some repurposed team move bullshit. It's all going to be made here in USA, in Arizona, by these two, and this. I had a bad hand and one good hand. These two things. All right? And then I'm going to mail them their gift with a little letter to go with it. And then now these people aren't going to know that this shit's coming unless they happen to watch my YouTube video, which I doubt they will because I don't have a lot of friends or family members watching my YouTube, or maybe my Facebook feed, I guess. But regardless, or irregardless, shout out to you, Mom. Regardless of that fact, I'm going to make these things, ship them to these people free of charge. These are gifts. This is just something for me. This is for nobody else. This is just something I feel I need to do. Or want to do, I should say. Like I said before, so many people have helped me in so many ways. I really feel that I really have to give back. I just feel the need. And there's a lot of bad shit in the world, and I want to do something good. So this is my small way of doing something good in the world. Getting a little choked up, that's all right, Men can cry. I'm not crying, mind you, but men can get emotional. I'm a guy's guy, but still, I'm a softie, And that's all right. Anyhow, so without further ado, I'm going to get going, get started, and then my next video you see about this topic will be me pulling the first name. And maybe it will be you, because some of these things are going to be total strangers. People I've never met, but they've helped me in certain ways. But you have to stay tuned to figure out what happens, because that's the real trick. Like, how do I get in touch with some of these people? But it might be vice versa also. I mean, I've traveled a lot. I've met a lot of people. I've done a bunch of stuff for lots of people. And maybe they might see my name or see my face, and they might remember me from somewhere and be like, that's the guy that, inspired me to take that extra step in therapy, or, lift that extra rep of weights at the gym, or, I was having a bad day and I saw this bald-headed wheelchair guy coming at me and like, hey, my life could be as bad as this fucker. At least I'm not in a wheelchair, just crazy old timer, you know what I'm saying? I mean, whatever, So they may reach out, you may reach out to me and be like, hey, whatever, and I'll make you something too. So if you have an idea, if you think that we and I have met before, shoot me a message, tell me how we met, tell me where we met, and tell me why and how I inspired you, and I'll make you something too. This is going to be like the pay it forward, pay it back series, Let's make this world a little bit happier place. All right? It's not all, blood and gore and anger and hatred. It's a beautiful world. Let's pay some back. Let's make some more beauty in the world. All right? Until next time, I'm Matthew. Keep pushing. Keep your head on a swivel. Be safe out there. And also, remember, just be kind.